Hey everybody, and welcome to May, right? April showers bring May flowers. So today we're going to talk about Mayflower Granny Power. And in this 31-day series, I'm going to share my favorite flower granny square projects with you. I love these groovy, fun project ideas, and with the warmer weather, granny projects are perfect. They're small, easy to bring along on trips, and nice to save up for cooler weather to piece together. So let's get started. Hey everybody, welcome to day 13, and day 13 is this adorable sunflower square. So I love this one. I think so many of us love sunflowers. It makes me think of a YouTube friend, Ashley. I know she just loves sunflowers so much that she named her channel Sunflowers. So yeah, really love this pattern. This is available on Etsy for $3.40, and this is by Ponto Crochet Patterns. So it is beautiful. I really love this sunflower square. You can get this in either US or UK terms. It is a PDF and it's a motif for blankets, but I think you could use this for other projects as well. It would look really pretty as a bag or even as a sweater. Can you imagine this as a sweater? Love this square. So let's take a look at some other pictures of it. This looks like it lays flat. It is not like one of the three-dimensional flowers that we have seen so far in this series. This is definitely a flat one. But so pretty. Love it. So let's read a little bit more about it. I'm going to guess it's a difficulty level of easy, but let's take a look and see what they say. Okay. Looks like this is available in American terms, US terms, Spanish, and Portuguese. It is listed as a skill level of easy. And let's just see if it has a finished size here. It looks like about 4.5 inches for finished size. I really like this idea here. Not sure if I can make this bigger or not. There we go. This person used it as a seat belt cover. I know that this seat belt sometimes can really scratch your neck, so that's really nice. She made it into a seat belt cover. And it looks like Michelle says it was my first attempt at a granny square. It isn't perfect, but I'm super happy with it. The pattern was easy to follow and very well written. Very nice. Very nice. Ooh, this one says this pattern was extremely easy to follow. I'm very happy with it. And 4 exclamation points. So she's serious. She is serious about that. Yeah, so let me know in the comments below, are you a sunflower lover? And if so, would you consider making this project? And if so, what would you make? Would you make a seatbelt cover? Would you make a sweater? Would you make a bag? Would you make a blanket? Very curious to find out what you're thinking about. All right, everybody. Until tomorrow, have a good night.